Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by isolating the foundation. Learn the left hand pattern and establish a steady pulse with a metronome at 60-80 BPM. Once that groove is secure, add the right hand melody slowly, stripping ornaments down to core notes so your brain maps each line. Make sure to count aloud, one end, two end, or subdivisions like 1E and A, because counting creates shared timing. Once you can play both parts separately, try a single bar together at half speed and repeat until fluid. Now you move into coordination. Choose 2 4-bar phrases and play them hands together at half speed, then gradually increase tempo. Once done, introduce rhythmic variations, accent the weak beats, or play the left hand slightly ahead than behind to train independence. Make sure to review and adjust fingering and hand position so fingers don't collide. Relaxed shoulders and curved wrists prevent tension. Also, practice the trick of starting the weaker, hand a fraction earlier, until both lines lock. To finish, gradually restore full tempo in small increments. Try 5% increases, while keeping accuracy the priority. You should record yourself to hear balance problems. Often one hand dominates, so reduce its volume or play more legato in the other hand. If you get stuck, isolate the treble spot and slow it to 30-40% tempo, looping just those notes until the muscle memory reforms. One key troubleshooting tip: muscles learn rhythm best at slow speed, so be patient and persistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.